and we're gonna make it to cloud cream and see what happens. So yeah, this is the part 2. Let's just straight out into the video. Yo! Alright guys, first I want to do the iceberg because I haven't done it, I haven't just done it in general, and I really want to do it. So yeah, here it is. This used to be a heart on top, and it kind of sank in. So I guess just like take that out. I want to see how it would look. Uh-oh. It just went inside, guys. Whoopsie. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know, let's just leave it and let's just do the iceberg. Oh, by the way, guys, here's the side if you guys wanted to see. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoa. That's some nice iceberg. Here's the heart. Well, this was a nice iceberg. I really enjoyed this one. All right, that is the end of that iceberg. Here's how it looks now. It's literally like half the size. We'll just put that heart right back on top, and we'll look at it later. All right, guys, so now to start on the instant snow activating. So we're gonna put some instant snow in there. I had some gold glitter in it, so just ignore that. What should we do first? I have no idea. We have so much things. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one first. We have dish soap first, guys. This is probably gonna be like, it's probably gonna soak it in like slowly, because I did it with foam soap before, and it did it really slowly. So let's see what happens. Okay. I guess I'll just like put that much. I think that makes sense, right? And let's look at it. So last time I did this, I did it with like foam soap. Oh my gosh, it's like bubbling. Do you guys see that? Okay, so it made it really bubbly and like kind of fluffy in a way. All right, guys, let's go ahead and add it into some slime now. All right, guys, so we have some white base slime right here. And it is like slightly overactivated. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of, I'll just add all of it, but I'm gonna add half of it right now, half of the snow. It's so weird and sizzly. Okay, let's add it. It's very soft too. I wonder what's gonna happen with this, guys. Okay, so far it seems like it's already turning into like a cloud cream. It's like mixing very quickly. Kind of reminds me of cottage cheese right now. I'm liking it. I'm actually like liking it so far. It's kind of actually pretty stringy, and it didn't melt either. This is actually really blowing my mind, guys. This is not bad. And it's also kind of sizzly. Alright, okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of this snow. Whoa, guys. I think I might start activating my snow with dish soap from now on. Like when I did this with the foam soap, it wasn't this good. This is amazing. Whoa, it's getting so sizzly and like fluffy. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, this is how you make like really fluffy cloud cream or something. Whoa. Reminds me of a sheep. I don't know why. But oh my gosh, do you guys see this? And it fluffs a lot. Look at that fluff. That drizzle. Okay, well this is the weirdest cloud cream I've ever touched, but I do really, really love it. It's super sizzly and super fluffy, and I love it. You guys should definitely try this out. Okay, well I guess that is it for this one, guys. Let's get on to the next one. I cannot wait. I'm so excited because this one is amazing. Alrighty guys, the next one we're gonna do is syrup. Okay, so I know this is really, really weird, and it's probably gonna like completely fail, but I still wanted to try it. It seemed like interesting, so we're gonna do it. Alright, so we have some syrup here. This is the one, and let's do it. It's probably gonna soak slowly. Oh, it's not even soaking. Alright, I'm just gonna put that much. Alright. Okay. This kind of reminds me of like Coca-Cola. Alright, so it's kind of soaking. Alright, I think this is when I start mixing it. Okay, so it's like making a layer on top, and then it doesn't like soak at all. So I guess I'm just gonna have to mix it a lot. Okay, now it's just turning into like a sugary substance. Well, looks like it, I mean, actually. It smells fantastic, guys. This reminds me of cookie batter. Like the part where you like put yolk and like all the sugars and stuff. Okay, so it's definitely starting to thicken up. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm excited with this one. This one smells so good, and it seems like it has a really weird texture, so I'm excited. All right, you know, let's just do it right now. Okay, so here's the snow. It definitely got thicker. So weird. Okay, I don't even know if this is gonna work. This is like so weird. It's like a clump, and that's like all of it. It kind of reminds me of like oatmeal. This is so weird. Okay, all right, let's mix it. Let's see. It's already starting to melt. I can feel it. I wonder if it's gonna be able to like make a cloud fluff if like I activate it afterwards. Oh gosh. No. This is a terrible idea. Oh my gosh, it is completely melting, guys. I don't know if I could say this by like adding a bunch of activator, but I'm still gonna try. Yeah, no, I don't think there's any saving this, guys. This is oh my God. Okay, maybe if I just like add straight up borax in here. This is terrible. It literally just turned into glue now. Just add a bunch more activator. Oh wait, I think it's working. All right, guys, I think this is a fail. It completely melted, so yeah, I'm just gonna give up now. All right, guys, next we're gonna do is this wash and wax liquid, car liquid, and it's like this orange kind of slimy substance. It's like soapy. So we have our instant snow, and I'm gonna add some red glitter, and then we're gonna add the key ingredient into this. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna add it into there, and I think that should be good. Whoa, guys, it's not activating like at all. What the heck? Okay, it's activating a little bit. But this, okay, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of like, it's not super thick, but it's like slimy in a way. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have to mix that in. Just mix it until it inflates. Looks cool. Okay, it's starting to kind of bubble up. I feel like I should just keep on mixing it and let it kind of like inflate, because I think it should, yeah, it's like bubbling up. Okay, I'm just gonna let it inflate now. Alrighty, guys, so I kind of let it like, you know, inflate, and this is how it turned out. It seems like it's like a bit more watery than usual, but whatever, we'll see. All right, so let's go ahead and add it into here. I'm gonna add like half. I wonder if it's gonna melt or if it's gonna stay the same. Okay, because the dish soap like stayed the same, and I was very surprised, so maybe this will stay the same, I don't know. Okay, so far seems like it is fine. Okay, and now it seems like it's overactivating it. Okay, this isn't too bad. It's like melting it and like activating it at the same time. Okay, it's very crackly. So now it kind of like melted. All right, here it is, guys. It kind of turned fluffy, and I like it. I think it's probably because it's like bubbly, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the snow and see what happens. I hope it turns into a cloud cream. Alrighty, so it seems like it kind of is turning into like a cloud fluff, but it is like melted now, so I'm gonna activate it. It's very, very, very soapy, which I like. All right, guys, here it is. It's kind of more like a cloud cream instead of a cloud fluff, but it's still nice. It's very fluffy and very soft too. This one is very, very interesting. It's super soft, and I really like it still. I do like the dish soap one better, but this one is still really, really nice. I really like this still. And I wonder how it will turn out when I like put it in a container and like leave it. Like, is it gonna get really sizzly, I wonder? That is gonna be interesting. So fluffy. Alright, guys, next we're gonna do is Fanta. This is pineapple Fanta. So last time, guys, I did 7-Up cherry, but it was the diet one because I wanted to get one with like no sugar, you know, so that it wouldn't melt the slime, and I think it worked, but there's no diet one of this, so we're just gonna see if there's a difference. So yeah. Okay, let's just add like that much. That is so satisfying. It activated very quickly. And yeah, all right, let's see what happens. All right, guys, we have our white base slime here. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our Fanta instant snow, our pineapple Fanta. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Okay, oh my gosh, it is melting it like crazy. Oh no, oh my gosh. Okay, apparently the diet version is so much better. If you wanna put your soda in slime, get diet. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. It's completely melting. I don't know what to do. It is completely melting and I'm not about to get it all over my hands again. Let me try and just add a bunch of activator. Okay, yeah, this did not work whatsoever. The soda was a complete fail. I'm gonna try another soda though, later, maybe like in a part 3 if you guys want. And I'm gonna try like diet. I didn't think it would help that much. That was just like a conspiracy theory, but like it actually did, because last time I don't think it did this, but yeah, all right, well that was a complete fail. That really sucks because this did smell really, really, really good, and yeah. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. Okay, guys, so next we're gonna put we're just gonna put some instant snow, and then we're gonna put some glitter. Glitter, yes. And for the key ingredient to this one, it's gonna be Lysol. So I'm not sure exactly what this is, to be honest. I think it's floor cleaner. Oh, multi-surface cleaner. Okay, so it's just like a cleaner, and it looks cool, and it smelled really good, so I really wanted to try it. It's also a cleaning supply, so I thought, why not, you know? And so yeah, let's do this. It's watery, so I think it should work pretty well. Okay, so it's activating very, very, very well, so that's good too. Let's mix that. Activated very quickly. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, if this works, I'm gonna be so happy because it smells so good. All right, so we have our slime right here, and let's add it. Okay, I am very, very excited for this one because I feel like it will work because it's like a cleaning material, so it's like soap almost. So yeah, hope it doesn't like overactivate it or something. Okay, seems like it's working so far. Okay, so it got softer already, and it's kind of like a doughy texture now. It's very stretchy. And it smells terrific. Like, oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. Okay, let's add more. I feel like this is gonna be the winner. All right, it's getting more stringy and drizzly. Let's add more. It's starting to get really, really drizzly and stringy, but it is a bit sticky. Oh my gosh, it is so drizzly. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more snow. Here it is, guys. It is super duper soft. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like you can tell that it is soft. And it is just so nice, and it drizzles so well. Let me try and show you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it drizzles so nicely. I don't know, it needs to stay together a little bit more, so I'm gonna add a little bit of activator. We're gonna add that much shaving cream. Hopefully it helps. Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so here are the slimes that we made today. There's one more, this one right here. All right, so we have this is the dish soap one that's so freaking nice. It's super sizzly. I think this one might be the winner. I really love this one. Then we have this one right here. It's more of a cloud cream, but it's still really nice, very fluffy. It's very interesting. I haven't really ever felt texture like this one. I probably have, but I don't remember it. But like this one is very, very nice still. Cannot wait till it like bubbles up. And then we have this one right here, guys. This one, it has such a soft texture, and it like drizzles so well. Like, it's insane. But I think my favorite will be the dish soap one. But this one was really, really nice, guys. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And you guys comment down below which one you like the most. I think this dish soap one is the best. I love it. And also make sure you comment down below this one part 3. And then so much. I hope you see you next time. Bye.